Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel leelawebdev. So in this video what we will try to do is we will try to do a simple example about the animation thing. We have learned about the trigger, state, style and all those things, right? Now here in this video I will do a simple animation thing so that you can able to understand very easily. Here I am creating a new component, open close. Okay, so I am taking a new something like a new component, open close. Before creation, what I will try to do is I will go to the app module, not app module, app routing module. You will go to the app routing module.ts and here I will create a path of open and this should load the component. There is nothing but open close component which I am trying to do it. Open close component. Okay, open close component, I need to open it. Let's try to create it. So here the component has been created. Here I am using the open close component, and for this one we need to import the otherwise I think here you will be able to get this one, open close component. Yeah, so now we have imported this one. We know this about the routing we have created. Let's go here and open this open, and I am able to see open close. Here we will do a simple animation thing. So let's try to refresh the concepts which we have learned up to now. Let's do it. So now here in our code, so let's go to our code HTML open close. So here I am removing this one all. I will create a simple button. So div, let's open the button. So the button I will try to create, and here I will be having something like toggle open or close. So this is the button which I will be having, open or close. Now at the bottom here I will have another div. So here I will be writing a simple paragraph. The box is now open. So here when we click on that button, we need to change the toggle open and close, and this one we need to make it dynamic. We'll do it afterwards. So this is a simple text which I want to do it, and if we try to see the output for this one, let's refresh this page. We should be able to see toggle, the box is now open. Okay, now the box is now open. Let's move on to the TS file or otherwise CSS file. Let's give some changes. So not changes. What I want to do is let's add some styles for this one. So for the host element, so there is nothing but for the main element, I will apply a display block and I will move little bit bottom. So there is nothing but margin top, I can take it, and 1 rem I will apply. 1 rem means nothing but 16 pixel, which is the root HTML font size, and I will be having a class name. I will try to give a class name here. Class is equal to open close container. Okay, so this is the container. I will have an open close container, and in the CSS I will try to write open close container. So here I will be using border 1 pixel black, I will use it, and or otherwise we will use hash DDD, and padding I will use something like 1 rem. Okay, let's take it 1 rem. And another one what I want to do is the color I will try to apply it as an hash 000, which is hash 000 only, and the font weight I will do it as in bold. Oh sorry, this is enter thing is wrong. Font weight, font size we will apply it as in something around 20 pixel, and the font weight we apply it as a bold, and here the padding we will apply it as a 20 pixel, 0 pixel and 20 pixel. Just we will keep it like this, and the margin top we will keep it as in 1 rem or 1 rem we will use it. Margin top we will use, not bottom, margin top. Yeah, so now this is our simple code. Now let's see how the output will look like. Now here the output will look like this one. The box is now open. When I click here, the box is now closed, it should be. Now let's go on to the TS file. So this is our main TS file, right? Now here I will be having a variable something like is open. Let's go into our open close component.ts file. Yeah, here I will take one variable is open is equal to true or otherwise false. Is open true, we'll keep it as a true. and we will be using toggle on user toggle. We will change it to this dot is open is equal to not of this dot is open. Okay, so this is the variable which I will be trying to do. Now here this is open is there, right? In this HTML, here I will use on click on toggle. I will use the method on toggle. Now here I will be using in a such a way that I will use it like this. Is open is there, then I need to use a ternary operator open, or otherwise I need to use it as close. So this is the text I want to show it. Now if you go into this and if I try to refresh this page and if I click here, so box is now open and close, we are able to see, but we need to have an animation here. How we can do this animation? Let's go and use the animations package. If you go into here and if I go to the TS file, this is the TS file, and here we need to have an animations. Okay, so this is the animations which I would be trying to implement. So animations, it is an array of trigger functions. The first one, trigger, I need to use it. So trigger, we need to import it from what I can say, import trigger. So these are all the things I need to use it, right? Trigger from Angular animations, and I can use the state and all those things. So let's try to implement. So trigger is there first. So trigger, the first one is the unique name. So open close, I will use it like this, open close. And here you will be having an array again, and in this array you will be having a you will be defining the set of states and the transitions. So first one is the state. So when it is in an open state, I want to apply the style. So this one also we need to import these all the things, state and the style, and transition also will be using, and animate also will be using. So these are all the things we'll be using. So now I want to apply the style. So what is the style I want to apply? I want to add a height of 200 pixel, and I want to add a opacity of 1, and I want to change the background color to yellow. So this is the style I want to apply it. Now let's try to take another state. So if it is having another state, okay, state, and if it is closed, so closed, so I want to apply a style, and this should have an object. Okay, so here this should have an object. Same thing, height of 100 pixel. So here these are all the things it has been written. So let's try to take this one only. Opacity 0.5, background green, will take it. So when this one is closed, so these are the two things which I want to do it. So now let's apply this one to this open close container. Now here at the rate open close, right, it is there. We have is open is there, then I need to apply the state open. What is this I am writing? Open, or otherwise I need to apply it as an close. So these are the two states we'll be having, right? Let's see whether we can able to achieve the state or not. If you try to see slash open, right, so this is the method. So now here the box is now open. If I click on this close, see, it has been changed to the background color and all those things are not applied. Why? What could be the reason? Let's go to the TS file, and what is the name of this one? Open and closed, right? So we'll make it as a close only. So when it is closed, now let's see what could be happen. If I click here, the box is able to toggle it, but we need to do the animation for this one. So to do the animation for this one, when it is open close, we need to apply an animation. When it is closed open also, we need to apply an animation. Now let's go here into our HTML file, not HTML file, TS file. Here the states are everything finished. Now we need to have a transition. So transition, when it is open to close, so when it is happening open to close, I need to call the animate function, and this should happen 0.5 seconds. If you want to add a delay, you can add it. Everything easy, and also you can add it. I am keeping it as simple. And when the transition applies close to open, so it needs to animate 1 second or something like this. So whatever the thing you want, you can do it. So here I am using 0.5 seconds. So I will try to keep it like this only. So close like this. Now if you try to see the output, let's refresh this page. Now the box is now open. If I click here, see, if I open, happening here. So this is how we can able to do the animation. So this is what I want to tell you. Through the Angular animations package, we have did the animations thing. So we have used the open close, trigger state open close, and we have used this transition thing, and we have did it. So this is the guys about the simple animation thing. We have did the 2 examples with this one. Further we will learn more concepts in this. Now what I will do is I will commit this all the code in a new branch, video -26. Now this is the simple example, animation example. I will do it. I will commit. Yeah. Now I am publishing this branch. As usual, whoever may be having a doubts and everything, so if you want to refer the code, you can go to my branch, the repository URL. The repository link is provided in the description below of the video. So if you have any doubts or anything in a particular video, you can go to that particular video branch and you can check the code. Hope you understood about this animation example. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.